morning friends, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is, I believe this will be our last grilled chicken for the season, and it is Indonesian grilled chicken, Ayam Bakar. This grilled chicken is marinated in peanut sauce, so in Indonesian we would say it as Ayam Bakar sambal Kacang. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 4 times 1/3 cup of roasted peanuts, unsalted, 1 small to medium onion, 5 garlic, 5 candle nuts, 1/3 cup of sunflower oil and 1/3 cup of water. Mix this until fine paste. This is 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder. Now pour mixture into the pot, and then add in 2 cups of water, and we're gonna bring this to boil. We're gonna season this with chicken bouillon powder as well as sweet soy sauce, Indonesian sweet soy sauce. I also added 2 coffee lime leaves to make it more fragrant, but you don't have to if you don't want to or you don't have. And you want to adjust the dark brown sugar too. So you want, well, in my family we like sweet. The peanut sauce, we like it on the sweeter side. If you want a thicker peanut sauce, keep boiling until the liquid somewhat lower, or in the beginning you don't add 2 cups of water, but instead just 3/4 cup to 1 cup. But I'm gonna use some of this peanut sauce for marinating the chicken, that's why I added 2 cups. Cool a bit before you use it to marinate the chicken. Well, about half hour at least, 20 to 20 minutes. So I make some cut or incision here and there for the chicken. We're just gonna place them into this large bowl. As you can see, the sauce is thickened. And you want to flavor the chicken with the peanut sauce, and you want to add more sweet soy sauce into it, like so, and add sweet soy sauce, and we're gonna mix this until coated. So we just dig in. Marinate for at least half hour before you grill it over charcoal ember, or you can use barbecue grill. It's up to you. Bon appetit.